Hi! In front of me is Realme GT, now 3T, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications on this Realme. Begin by opening Settings. Then scroll down and choose Notifications and Status Bar. Following that, scroll down again and tap on the sweater next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications, like Recorder. As you can see, all notifications from Recorder are now off. In order to switch them back on, click on the same sweater. If you want to, you can always click on one of your apps over here instead and manage all notifications thanks to this sweater next to Allow Notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!